Let us see how to use FFCS combo generator. And this is the place where you will add faculty name on their slots, and for a particular course add all the faculty which you like to have, and the name of the faculty you will get from mock FFCS. Like I have these names from the previous mock FFCS, and you should add the faculty names which you wish. For example, let me show add faculty name. Here I'm showing as faculty name, but add as the name of the faculty and their slots. For example, if they are from A1 slot, add it, and also including the lab slot you add it. This is how you add faculty names to the course, and let me show you an actual example with this. Here I have added all my favorite faculties for each subject, like this. You add these from mock FFCS data, and you can also change the course names like this, as I said before. Leave the courses which you don't need as empty, and choose if you need morning theory or evening theory or both, like 2 exams in a day. Let me keep it in morning theory and generate. Let me generate, and here are the possible combinations with the faculties you have added, and you can also move around and see all the timetables which are possible with that. And let us try to change to evening theory and generate, and here it is. Like this you can easily visualize without any slot clash. Also, if you like certain timetables and you want to keep it separate, you can like them like this, and you can go around to favorites and look around those here.